I joined this company because I heard that I could purchase a course, and it was to teach us how to do the Academy of the Private Investor. I am grateful to have paid for this course, as I wanted to learn something about how to invest my money wisely, to be able to do all the trading correctly, where and how and when to trade. I also wanted to learn all the technical jargons which was attached to the trading platform, because I didn't know anything. I don't know anything about trading or anything about saving money, but after doing this course, I'm actually currently in the progress of doing this course. I finished category 3 and 2, and I'm almost finished category 1. I've got the certificates for 3 and 2. I soon will get the category for 1. I'm enjoying the course because so many things were taught to me which I didn't even know I could do. I was taught how to do to the income and your expenditure and your what you earn, the income and expenditure, how to keep the record of that, so that you will know what your income is, what your expenditure is, and what your savings is. And they taught us how to do it. Save 10% of your income, and the rest you can put in. You can put to wisely put it through to invest it wisely, basically. And also a lot of the things which they taught us on the trading platform, like what is a candlestick, the red candlestick, the green candlestick, which I didn't even know what they were all about before. But now I know when people talk about it, I understand fully what they are saying, and how to trade wisely, which trade to go, how to get your broker, what type of broker you have to look out for, whether they have got discipline in themselves, and what they are doing is really, really good. I'm so grateful that I'm doing this course, because I've learned so much, especially when they're teaching you how to invest your money wisely. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, how to diversify and do other things, how to do your own portfolio, how to deal with the OTC accounts, how to deal with bitcoins, all the different trading platforms there is, which is really good. And all the people who taught us, is so good to learn from the master. Of all these study days they're doing is learning from the master, so that we'll be able to carry out and do. And it's so good because we can even ask questions. And I'm doing a live course, because it helps us to have an understanding of, or if we don't understand anything, we can always ask them, and they will explain to us as how to do. It is so good as well, because there is a video after the course. You can go back each time, listen to the video over and over again if you don't understand anything. And then they gave us a workbook, and you can questions in the workbook. You try and see if you can answer the question. If you don't know, you can always go back and ask the people who are teaching us how to do it. I am so proud of myself that I'm doing it. I'm 72 years old currently, and I am already doing this course because I really and truly want to save money. I want to have enough money so that I'll be able to help my own family, and to teach them how to do investing and to look at things correctly. That's about all. But the main thing is to say that I enjoy the course, and I know that this is going to help many, many, many other people. Thank you.